Hey everyone, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. In case you aren't subscribed or are watching my video for the first time, then hey, I'm Kim. Thank you so much for stopping by my channel. You can begin by clicking on the subscribe button. Also clicking on that bell icon, you would know whenever I upload a video. I make makeup and beauty related videos. And in this one, I'm going to be talking about the HUDA X NYKAA launch. I'm gonna be sharing with you guys the swatches and review of the products that I bought. So I'll be sharing with you first the swatches, then I'm gonna move on and create a look using these products. So yeah, if you want to see all the good stuff, then please keep on watching. I wanted to get all of this stuff, but I couldn't. Obviously they are expensive, but they are amazing products also. So I bought the HUDA Beauty Desert Dusk palette, and this is how the packaging looks like. And when I take it out of the box, this is how the palette looks like. It is so beautiful. And then when you open the palette, it has a sheet over it to protect the eyeshadows and a huge mirror, and then the product right here. So you get 18 shades in total. There are 8 buttery matte shades, 6 pressed pearl pigments, and then you also get 3 duochrome eyeshadows and 1 glitter. Also, I bought a pair of lashes. These are the Lana lashes, and I'm gonna obviously use this in this look today. And lastly, I also bought liquid lipsticks. These are the liquid matte lipsticks. I got them in the shade Trendsetter, trophy wise. And then the third one that I got is Bombshell. So as you can see, I've already done my base makeup and my eyebrows. Now I'm going to create an eye makeup look using this palette. I'm getting the purple vibes from this palette, and I'm surely going to incorporate the glitter and the reddish sandy colors. So yeah, let's just get started. Firstly, we are going to use this shade right here, which is called Desert Sand. And we're going to put this all over the eyes. Now I'm going to take this shade, which is called Eden. It is sort of like a sandy peach color. So yeah, I'm just going to put that in my crease and blow it upwards. I'm going to take this shade called Amber, and we're going to put that in the crease. We're not going to blow this out as much as the previous shade. I'm finding these matte shades really easy to blend. They're so pigmented but very easy to blend. Now I'm going to take this shade called Saffron. This is like a deep red sandy color. I'm going to put that shade in my crease and blend it into the crease downwards and not upwards. As you go deeper with colors, you go lower and lower and less blowing out. You want to take that fluffy brush and blend the edges out. I'm going to take the same saffron shade and I'm going to put it all over my lips. Now moving on to the lower lash line, you want to take this purple shade called Amethyst and apply it on the lower lash line. Now taking this shade, which is called Twilight, I'm going to put this halfway through my lower lash line and also in my inner corner. Now moving back to my lid, I'm using a glitter glue and applying it to the inner part of my lid with my finger. And then I'm going to take Cosmo and I'm going to press that over the glitter glue. Next, I'm taking this shade called Oud and I'm gonna take this on a smaller blending brush and apply it on the outer corners of my eye to create more depth. Now I'm gonna go back into the shade Saffron and I'm gonna smoothen the edges of the glitter. Then in this step, I'm just lining my lower and upper lash line, and then I'm going ahead and applying some mascara. Moving on to lashes, can we just take a moment and appreciate these lashes? These are so pretty, so I went ahead and applied them on. Now lastly, for my lips, I have 3 options. I have Trophy White, Trendsetter and Bombshell. This is Bombshell. It is sort of like a peachy nude shade and it is so beautiful. The next shade is Trendsetter and this is like a brownie, more brown orangish tone nude. And then lastly we have Trophy White, which is sort of like a deep mauvey pinkish color. This is how they look swatched next to each other. The top left is Bombshell, middle one is Trendsetter, and the last one is Trophy Wife. The formula on these lipsticks is very lightweight and dries out completely matte but keeps the lips moisturized and is 100% transfer proof. So I hope I helped you out with all the swatches and this look that I created. That's it. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you very soon. Bye! Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you what I shopped in these few days of NYKAA, Club Factory, Forever 21, H&M. So yeah, you'll be